Hey, what's up guys? Alright, so I just got back from work and my package just came in. Yes, another package. And yeah, this one's actually from Amazon. So what is in this box exactly? It is I guess you could call it a ceramic coat. It's the Migliori SiO2 rim coat. So I'm going to be putting these on my wheels. And just so, I mean, honestly, it's just to like make it easier to clean, to be honest, like in all seriousness. That's all it is. I was gonna order this off of Esoteric's website, but by the time I decided to order it, they actually ran out, or they're out of stock, I mean. And then, but this wasn't the original coating that I was going to get. Originally, I was going to get the, was it Kamikaze Stance, which is like, you know, an actual like normal coating where it's like it comes in like a little bottle and then you put it on like a little microfiber glasses cleaner looking thing, and then yeah, and then you just like try to make it as even as possible, and then you just like wipe it off and shit. Like if you guys seen like ceramic coating videos, you already know what that is. Migliori SiO2 Rim Advanced Professional Wheel Coating Protection. Extremely hydrophobic. New item. Okay, so yeah, it is pretty new. Esoteric released a video, but I think they've been testing it for like a year now. But I don't know if it was like just released to the public or not, but I just heard about it. So yeah. And then I bought this because it's super easy to put on. Okay. Concours level car. Okay. Thank you for your purchase. Yeah, I'll leave a link down below to Migliori's website, and I'll leave a link to it on Amazon and Esoteric website. But yeah, I really wanted to order it from Esoteric, but they did run out, so yeah. It comes in this, inside of this, with this. So pretty good packaging, like despite it being from Amazon. So here it is. This is a small bottle. SiO2, so that's silica dioxide. High gloss ceramic coating aerosol spray. 12 months of extreme hydrophobic effects. Creates a low maintenance environment for your prized wheels. Alright, I think I got that, but yeah. You guys should be doing this outside, not inside. I'm planning on doing it in my garage with the garage door open and bring them inside to cure. But yeah, so basically it acts like the process is very similar to like spray wax, to be honest. It's super easy. I'll leave the link down below to a video of how to put it. I'm going to be doing let's see, since the wheels are new, I don't have to use Iron X or anything like that. So I'll probably do like a IPA wipe, maybe 3 microfibers or something. But yeah. And then make sure you guys throw away those towels, because this stuff gets hard. So if that shit's in your microfibers or whatever towels you're using, when it dries, it's gonna get hard. So I suggest just like throwing those towels away for sure. So we got the TEs chilling here. Yeah, so we're gonna go coat them. So to clean them, well, they're pretty much brand new, so I don't need to degrease them or anything. So I just have this spray bottle with some isopropyl alcohol mixed with some water. It's 70%, so I just dilute it a little bit so it's like it doesn't make the paint swell. Supposedly it does that, so that's why I diluted it even more. And then I used water bottle because they say you're supposed to use distilled water. So assuming this should be fine. It's better than tap. So we got this, and then we have this as a, I guess you could say, respirator. I was gonna get the dual canister style, but I couldn't find those, so this one should be fine. So what we're gonna do is take these out to the garage, get it all set up, and then spray them outside, bring them in, wipe them down to spread it all. So yeah, yeah, I put gloves on prior, so yeah, I don't feel like putting them on later, so yeah, popping tags. If you guys know where I got that from, let me know down below. Yeah, it's from Instagram, dude. So I just remembered I need to take these off because I'm not running these. I'm putting OG stickers on, so yeah. And right after that, we're going to do a quick wipe down because there's hella fingerprints on this thing because all the times we open the boxes. So yeah, it broke. Well, anybody want a TE37 SL lip sticker? I got you. Hit me up. Never ran on the car, you know, just. See, there's a little bit of residue left over, so I'm going to be using a little bit of Goo Gone, and then after that we're gonna go with that, and hopefully that gets rid of all the remaining Goo Gone, so we should be good. Alright, so I just finished all 4 wheels, and then we'll get back to it. Now we are going to wipe them down with isopropyl alcohol. Day 2. Alright guys, finally have all the stickers on. So I started with this one, just made my way counterclockwise. Yeah, so I think I got better and better each time, but I think this one and that one are the best ones. This one, yeah. So I went on Thompson's page. Oh shit, okay. Yeah, I went on Thompson's page to look for like, the rough, like roughly where it should be. Can y'all see that? But yeah, I just went on there. And then this one was the first one. I don't mind this one, but I think it may be a little too far. Like the stickers might be a little too far in. This one, I think this looks a lot better. And then this was almost perfect. Almost perfect. The left one's perfect, but I think I made this one go a little too far out. And this one, nah, I like this one. So it's these two. But yeah, she looks crazy. Stickers are like pretty nice, but they are solid, so they're not like die cut. Like there's still like a little clear piece that connects like this bridge and all that like here. But yeah, so the first one I actually did get air bubbles, but I just used a squeegee or gift card to like squeegee most of it out. Yeah, it was like a big ass bubble, but yeah, we good. So alright, let's see. Wheels have something on them. Tires are in. Well, 3 of 4 tires are in. One of them got lost because FedEx patched them separately. So let's see. We have wheels coated. Stickers on wheels. 3 or 4 tires. So that one should be coming in today or sometime this week. So the last remaining thing is for the car to be finished. If you guys didn't know, the car's getting worked on because yeah, it's getting repainted in the front. So yeah, TE37's ready to go. They're not OGs, they're SLs, but they have OG stickers, alright? But they are real TEs, so it's not as bad as if I had Rotas, alright? So yeah, I only got them because they fit the fitment I want, while the OGs were like a bit lower offset. So yeah, we went with the plus 40s. So yeah, once again, What's this sticker? 18 by 9.5 plus 40 by 100 Mag Blue. So yeah. Oh, this is a process, but yeah. Did this roughly 6-7 o'clock yesterday. When I finished, I just let them chill in here. I only did one coat. I'll probably just save the rest of the Meek Glory for like a later date. But yeah, basically let them sit 24 hours. Oh, I'm assuming they're protected. They look shinier in a sense, but yeah. Oh, I'm so excited. So excited. Alright, stay tuned, guys. Damn, what damage? Hey. Yes, bitch! Oh, wow.